Okay, I'm going to try the new light bulb, so I have to put this back. And in this lamp, I'm going to remove this bulb. I've unplugged the lamp, so don't worry, I'm not going to get a shock. So, this has to go back into here, and there's 4 screws right there for it. Oh, this is going to be lots of fun. Pokey tool. Time for a pokey tool. Okay, so there we go. Almost. That one's in. Oh. No. I know what's wrong. Let's try it this way. Oh, don't poke yourself, William. There we go. Much better. I'll put the screws in. And we need our screwdriver here. There we go. One more screw. Okay. Everything's in place. I pulled this bulb out. And now I'm going to do this bulb. Definitely different. Oh yes, definitely different. So, before I put the glass plate back on, we need to plug it back in again. So, gonna move this camera a little bit and move the lamp out of the way so I can reach the plug in. Okay. Well, apparently I dumped the volume control for the thing. Here we go. Let's put that back. Okay. Lamp is back in place. Let's flip it around. Voila! It works. So, let's put the glass plate back in. To be honest, I don't think we really need the glass plate, but why not? Here we go. So, jack the lamp back up high, rotate it around. There we go. The droid cam. There we go. So that bulb, the second bulb, fits the best. It works the best. This one here, it works, but not in this lamp. It is too big. So that came in this box here. So, and the light is really nice. It's quite nice. And no heat. Not like the halogen bulbs. And I've got spare bulbs. I think I'll toss them in the old drawer here somewhere. There we go. Paper over there. There we go. And that was the light experiment. Okay. Now, I do have the clock around the cord again. There we go. Put the cord behind the oscilloscope. HDMI cord over there. This board over here. Scissors back in the drawer. So, as you know, last time I did get some of these. Well, I updated these things here. So I ripped out these teeny weeny little guys. $4,000 and something. 4,007, I think they are. In favor of these guys who have a lot bigger current carrying capacity. And yes, the other power supply, which is right now powering this light right here, the cob panel, is working beautifully. Like, I can change the lighting level of the cob. You can see that it dimmed and brights. So that was quite a success. Now, last time I also tried in programming the Arduino Mini Pro with this. This is a serial to TTL converter. Works like a piece of shit. Didn't work at all. Piece of garbage on it. So, as you know, I went out and I bought a bunch of these guys. 3 different chipsetted stuff. So I picked one at random. And it happened to be the CH340. Which is the same chip that's on the Arduino. Nanos. No. Unos. So, I hooked it all up. And this time, actually, this is actually not hooked up at all. I'll just take it off for the moment. So, the voltage, the ground, transmit and receive. And of course, the transmit and receive is crossed over. So, I plug it in. And we have you can see it indicating it's on. We have power, and then we have a blinky light, which is, as you know, the default program. So let's bring up our app. Let's see if I got it in here. Visual code. Yeah, let's go find it. So right now it's underneath. I need to move this above the top cam, well, above everything actually. There you go. So here's our visual code just to. I'm just going to flip over to that. It should be on camera. So I made sure down here that I had the blink program. And for the programmer, I didn't really need a programmer. Pro Mini was selected. And we just have to make sure that we have the right port. And there it is, TTY USB 0. So I'm going to clear this. So it's nothing. And I'm going to upload. It's going to build it. So on these guys, you have to press the reset key in order to start the programming. Now, there is an extra pin on here. It uses the serial, is it RTS or something like that, which you can signal it, but this board doesn't have that pin generation ability. It's not on here. So we have to hit the reset. But you can see from the programming, it programmed perfectly. Now you want to be sure that it's programming correctly. Well, let's change the blink rate. We'll increase the blink rate to 1,000. And I'll just say file, save. Okay. I'll clear our log again. And I will upload again. So it recompiles it. Come on, boys. I did it the first time here. There we go. I didn't get the reset right. There we go. Now if we look at it, the blink rate's different. Stays on longer. Voila. So these little boards work. So we have one working. You can see the blank there. It's on longer. So spending hours with this stupid little thing, what a waste of time. This is a lot easier. Now I just have to assemble the rest of them. Although I do like I think I do like the Nano better because of its ability to not need the, hit the reset and everything, and the programmer's built on. But this is supposedly a faster board. So I'm just going to unplug it. I'm going to put it aside. Now, I do want to test these lights out, so I need some voltage. And I do have hanging over here. See which probes I need. Yeah, these will do. So I like these little these little clippy clips. They're really nice. Turn the power supply on. And there we go. I thought I had the variable voltage lead, but apparently I do not. I want the other one. Okay. Over the side. And I will take this pair. Okay, let's plug these ones on. Okay, now let's try the voltage. There we go. Pretty darn bright. Let me tell you that. And they work. Now this was supposed to be, I think, a warm white, not a cool white. So there's a little more yellow in it than it is. 4.8 watts for 1 meter. Length is 10 meters. LED color. I love this LED color. Nothing. Did he put actually anything on the wheel itself? Nope. But I did get 2 colors, so I'm pretty sure that's that. Now, what was... Now that I've got those clips, I think I can start doing... making an AC cord for this. And this is going to output 12 volts at 4 amps limit. Well, I can say one thing that drives me nuts with this clock. I have yet to figure out how to turn off the alarm. It just doesn't want to go off. Oh, and there's another piece I need to work on too. I haven't finished this here. And I was thinking of... See, these guys did the same thing. These stupid things. And I'm pretty sure this is going to get really hot. Yeah. So where did I put those clips? Oh, there they are. So, do I want this size? Nope. I want this size. Yep. So I need 2 for the AC side and 3 for the DC side. I need an AC cord. One that I can wreck. And we're going to need some soldering. So, to the back side. To the front side. And I'll be right back. I'm going to get an AC cord. Okay, so one AC cord. I got tons of them, so it doesn't really matter if I break one. Okay. Well, guess what? I need a knife. Can you guess where my knife is? Yeah, it's on the other table. Okay, let's cut this loose. Here we go. 3 wires. White, green, and black. Well, I'm pretty sure green is going to be ground. And I have to look up the other two. I'm not an electrician. I don't memorize these things. Nice wire snippers. I mean, strippers. Okay. We need some shrink tubing. Let's see. A little on the big side. How about this? A little on the tiny side. The blue. I want something that'll just fit over the end here. No, that won't do. Yellow's too thin. How about this green? That works. So, three of them. Oops. Okay. One for you. Into you. We need our arms. Ooh, that's a bit warm. Let's do another one. We know you can go on there. And you can go on here. Like so. And so our little end here. Like so. And then the green wire, like so, and another end, like so. Okay. Now we need the other half of my magical soldering station. So And we put this back. And look at that. Aren't these smexy? All nice on, all heat ribbity. Okay, so standard colors for whatever. Let's see, find out. You know, I looked this up already once before. Forgot all about it, what they were, and it should do it again. AC color code wires. Try any. So, we've got black for the live. There's my screwdriver here. Ooh, that's not screwing very well. Let's try the other end. There we go. Okay. Let's go to the other side again. So black is live. White is neutral. Okay, and green. Well, green is ground. Wow, they have lots of pictures. Holy schmoly. Just looking at the web browser at the moment. Yep, neutral white. Black is hot and green is ground. So, we have this done. Nicely done. Of course, my multimeter has to be on the other table. Okay, so this guy has a plug on the other side of the lamp. There we go. And we have a light. So, whoops. Okay. We don't want to use these ends. We want to use these ends. So, black into black, red into red. Don't poke your fingers on these. Okay. Let's put them on the right one. 12.44 volts. What do you know? It works. Another successful manufacturing job from China. Okay. Now, that power supply actually had a purpose. So, now where did I put the other half of all that? Hmm. Nope, not up there. Where did I put it? You put something away because you want to work on it later and you forget where you put it. Ah, is this it? No. Did I put it over there? Huh. Well, what do you know? I put it somewhere. Oh, I know where it is. Oops. Okay, so this is an LCD panel, and this was the driver board I got for it. But my problem was, even though it runs on 12 volts, I didn't have enough current to drive everything. So I'm just checking first of all this jack works. It does. And I don't need this brick, but I'm not going to make it a complete waste. I'll leave some cord on it. Okay, so just park this out of the way for a sec. And we're going to put ends on this. Well, I'm going to need to know in here if the tip or the edge is negative. So where's my little strippy gun? Here we go. So this is working out really nice. Not bad investment, I would say. Okay, so we got so, and so. Okay, so Mr. Multimeter on. Okay. So let's find out which is tip and which is, that's tip, and that is nothing. So tip is this one, and barrel is the other one. So if they mark this anyway, there's a white, there is a white strip along this one, and this one doesn't have it. So with the white strip, it's the center pin in here, and the outer barrel is without the white strip. Okay, so okay, we need these connectors on, and we need some heat shrink tubing for this too. So we have another green and our cutter. Now I want to mark that one line with the white stripe with a color. So I am going to just borrow some heat shrink tubing. So this guy could go on here. Not too tight. Maybe one little looser. I just need one side to be marked. There we go. So I put on a bit of heat shrink there. Okay, so we go like this for the green, and on this other wire we do this one, and I can just put both of these in the clips here if I can get them in there. Okay, you don't want to do that. Okay, there we go. So, one for you, and one for you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. One for you. And one for you. Perfect. Okay. Now, back to our board again. So, looking at this board, DCN I'm pretty sure positive is in the center. Okay. V positive is the tip. And I need the screwdriver. So positive. Negative. Okay. Okay, multimeter again. So positive in the center. 12.4 volts. Now the only thing I'm unsure of, is there a menu? Will I see something? So theoretically, turn this off, get out of the way. Do I have a light on here somewhere that tells me if I'm on or off? Can't tell. Lights up over here, no problem. So we need something on here. And I happen to have something. And we need a power supply for Raspberry Pi, and I do have one plugged in. So And then I need an HDMI cable, a small one. Just a sec, be right back. Getting this mic on is always a pain in the arse. There we go. Okay, so one USB cable. And that is going into, sorry, one HDMI cable. It's going into here. There's an OS and everything already on this. This is actually my SUSE Tinkerboard. So, and then we need input. And then I'll put electrons on. And then I'll put power on the Pi. I saw blink for a moment, like a very faint backlight light. So source. Hmm. Now I don't know. So, come on, guys, get over there. It's the right direction. Well, it seems it has to go this way. What I don't see on here is power. No, I feel power. Actually, I feel heat over here. It goes upstairs to the camera. I have enough power, I have enough everything. And I can definitely feel heat over here. But I have no visual. Let's just unplug and plug in the HDMI again. Not a damn thing. Well, that didn't work. That didn't work one damn thing. Nice idea. Didn't work. Panel could be shot. Oh well. I booted this up against my monitor, so I know that it's actually working. I can actually test right now. I will lose your visual for a sec while I plug this in. I will plug this in, and it will switch inputs. Whoa. What the hell? That wasn't good. Why did I get smoke from here? Oh boy. What the heck? That's not good at all.